In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, just like in my case, select this gear one, tap on voice typing and use the switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on the now visible microphone. Finally, hit while using the app or only this time, and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!